Are you in the UK, dreaming of a flexible work-from-home career? Whether you're a job seeker, a busy parent, or a recent graduate, finding legitimate remote opportunities can feel overwhelming. But what if YouTube held the key to your next big step? YouTube isn't just for entertainment. It's a powerful hub for career growth. Many UK companies and entrepreneurs post remote job openings directly on their channels. You can also find invaluable tutorials and insights into various work-from-home industries. To find these hidden gems, use specific search terms like work-from-home UK jobs, remote opportunities UK, or online jobs for UK residents. Follow channels dedicated to UK career advice and remote work trends. Look for videos offering skill-building tips for popular remote roles. Consider creating your own YouTube presence to showcase your skills. This can attract clients or employers looking for remote talent. Many successful remote workers started by sharing their expertise online. Ready to transform your job search and unlock genuine UK work-from-home opportunities? We've created a comprehensive course designed specifically for you. It covers everything from starting a YouTube channel to make money from home in the UK. Start a work-from-home thriving career. Click the link in the description to access our exclusive training. Start your journey to a flexible, fulfilling work-from-home life today. Don't miss out on your chance to thrive remotely in the UK.